When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Preparing for the Floor Care Company. Please remove any small items such as dining room chairs, magazine racks, floor plants, etc. from any areas that are going to be cleaned. Please remove all breakable items from furniture which will have to be temporarily moved, cleaned under, and placed back. Please pin up any full-length drapery so that they will be at least 6 inches off the floor. Please pin up any skirts on upholstered furniture which may be touching the carpet. Computer equipment, china cabinets, sectional sofas, entertainment centers, antique and fragile furniture cannot be moved. However, carpet underneath such items can be cleaned where sufficient room is available, or we can edge right around the base. During the pre-inspection walkthrough with your technicians, please advise them of any special requirements to follow when moving your furniture, such as weak legs, loose tops, or previous repairs. Also, call attention to any spots or stains which may require special techniques. Please put your pets in a safe, quiet place where our cleaning won't disturb them. A special note about odors. We do everything possible to reduce or eliminate pet odors. However, due to the depth of contamination, 100% success may not be attained. Also, for several days after cleaning, you may notice an elevated odor due to higher humidity levels. For safety's sake, be sure to keep an extra close eye on your curious little ones. Special aftercare information. Please leave your plastic tabs and blocks under your furniture for 48 hours after cleaning. As a safety precaution, please do not let your children or pets crawl or lie down on the carpet until it is completely dry. Please use extreme caution when walking from the damp carpet to any hard surface area.
Don't settle for anyone.